In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for inventory management. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. We'll start from the overview area inside your team space. This is the central place where you'll be able to see and manage your inventory system once it's set up. From the overview, look for the area that's highlighted in your interface, usually near the top or side of the screen. This is where ClickUp shows options for adding or browsing templates. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area to open the Templates panel. Next, click on Templates. Templates are really powerful here because they save you the time of building an inventory system from scratch. You'll see a list of available templates. In this tutorial, we're using an inventory-related template that's already prepared, so click on the highlighted Inventory Template option when you see it. Once that template is selected, click on Use Template. This tells ClickUp you want to copy that pre-built structure into your own workspace, so you can customize it for your products, stock, and processes. You'll now see a few configuration options. First, click on the highlighted area that lets you choose where to add this template. Then click on Team Space, so the inventory setup lives inside the relevant team space where your operations or inventory team works. This keeps everything organized and accessible to the right people. Next, click on Customize Import Items. This step lets you decide exactly what comes in with the template, such as tasks, views, and settings. It's helpful if you want to start clean or if you want to keep everything the template offers. You'll also see an option to remap dates. Click on Remap Dates so any example dates in the template are shifted to align with your current timeline rather than staying stuck in the past. This makes your new inventory system immediately relevant. When you're satisfied with these settings, click on Use Template again to finalize the import. ClickUp will now create all the lists, tasks, and views you need for inventory management. Once that's done, you'll notice several views along the top of your screen. Click on Reorders to focus on items that need to be restocked. Then click on Value to see your inventory from a value or cost perspective. Switch to Operations to manage the day-to-day flow of stock. Click on Order Updates to track the status of incoming or outgoing orders. You can also change how your data is displayed. Click on Timeline to see inventory-related tasks over time, Table for a spreadsheet-style view of your items, and Board for a card-based workflow, where you can drag items through different stages of your inventory process.